welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kirsten Gail, cosmetology student, graduating soon. Thank God, thank God. I know I haven't made a video in a long time, so I thought I would hop on here and do a Boxycharm unboxing for the month of January. Can you believe we're already in January? Okay, so I haven't done one of these on my channel before, so I'm just winging it, you know, because I just got home from school and had this in here, so might as well. The first one we have is the Wanderous Escape Eyeshadow Palette. $42. Yeah, that's expensive for a little eyeshadow palette. Wait. Oh, it has hyaluronic acid to help skin retain moisture. I rose it seed oil to smooth out dry skin. Oh. Oh my gosh. Look at how pretty this is. Do y'all see how pretty that is? Oh, I don't even want to touch them. They're so pretty. Oh, weird smell. Okay, my hands are clean. I wash my hands like 8 billion times. Okay, so this is Flourish and Sea Glass. Oh, they're chunky but pretty. Can y'all do that? Ooh, those are my favorites. How about these mattes? This is Overnight. Those things look pretty good. I mean, I wouldn't pay $42 for a 10-pan eyeshadow palette, but that's just me. It is pretty though. I will give them that, and I will be using that. So next is the Dermalect Cosmecutilis, something Vitalite Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. I'm only 29. I don't have that many dark circles and things. That's a lie. I have lots of puffy bags. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice packaging. Professional. Oh, why is it gonna be professional shirt? You trying to tell me something I don't know? Ooh, and it's got one of those things, the applicator that's like super. Ooh, that's nice and cold too. Yes, love it. Wait a minute. And it has a clean one. No freaking way. $59? Holy crap. That is crazy. I don't try skincare on camera because that's something you have to try and use for like at least a month for you to see any like actual side effects. But yeah, I think it's really cool that they have a replacement applicator on here. Okay, next on this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade and Brush 7B, the dual-ended angle brush set. $39 for some eyebrow pomade, y'all. Ooh, I think that might be too dark. Clean finger here. Oh, that's really dark. I mean, I might be able to lighten it out because, I mean, as you can see, I can't even say I'm blonde. I'm yellow right now in this light. I don't know why it's showing up yellow. But I have been wanting to try pomades, and I know Anastasia is incredibly good. So, there's that. Okay. Now, moving on to the next thing is Context Skin Matte Lipstick. Ooh, $20. Oh my god. For a whole lipstick? Does it rub your back or something? Ooh, okay. I'm not gonna lie, this, like, packaging reminds me of Wet n Wild. It is very nice. I like how it's shaped to, like, hug your lips and stuff. Let's see how it goes. Ooh. Very creamy. I like it. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Yes, very matte. But as y'all can see, I have a scar on my lip from when I was a teenager. I got bit by a dog, and it just kind of messed up my lip. So it makes it weird to put on like lipstick and stuff. But mm, I like it. I like it. And last but not least, I want to say that's one of the things I picked. Or I picked pomade or a palette. I don't ever remember what I picked whenever that choice thing comes around. Oh, and this is just the base box. Good old Boxycharm base box, you know. My husband gifted me a year subscription, and it's coming to an end, and then I won't get them anymore. I did it so that I would stop buying makeup, but even then I ended up buying makeup, so. Okay, so these are the Araceli Beauty Bella Sponge Duo, $24. Set the stage for a seamless, smooth blend with this super soft sponge duo. I love how it says your complexion called, and the Araceli, I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. Bella Sponge is the answer. I mean, they're cute. They're, you know, beauty sponge. I mean, they just kind of remind me of the elf ones, really. Not elf. Yeah, elf. They really do just kind of feel like elf ones. It's kind of sad. I mean, a sponge is a sponge, and I mean, for what you pay for this, you get. Sorry about that. Children bumped in, and I don't allow them to be on camera because there's sickos in this world. But anyway, I figured since I tried the lipstick on camera, I might as well try the Dipbrow pomade, you know? Oh, it's so creamy. So creamy. It's really creamy. I'm totally doing this on camera with no assistance from a mirror because I'm a pro. Wow. Ooh, Lord. I need a mirror for this. It's just looking worse. Ooh, their thing's stiff though, but their brush is good. Okay. Lord, it's like I turned the camera on to film and they think they gotta have 8,000 problems. Ugh, I wish my brows were big and fluffy, but they're not, so. Mostly because I won't leave them the hell alone. I'm one of those dumb 90s kids who was shaving their brows off before Jeffree Star made it cool. Looking like a whole idiot. Because instead of getting them done professionally or learning how to do it, I just winged it. Oh, by the way, I have nothing else on my face. There's no primers or anything. I just got home from school. Felt like filming a video for you guys because I haven't talked to you in forever. I miss my people. Okay. Now, I know how to make brows look good sometimes. But today just is not one of them. I look ridiculous. Oh well. It'll be alright. So I'm having like a brand identity crisis, I guess. I do love this brush. Hands down. Good job, Anastasia. Not that they listen to me because I'm just a broke little girl on YouTube playing around. Why do I feel like I look kind of clownish? The circus called. It needs its clowns back. Oh well. What was that? Oh yeah, brand identity crisis. So I've been beauty as Kirsten Gail, or beauty by Kirsten Gail for a while, a very long time. Because my name is Kirsten. I mean, Gail is my middle name, but you know, but I don't know. I don't want to just be all about makeup. You know, I mean, granted, beauty is like many things. Anything that you find beautiful, it is encompassed under beauty, obviously. But I don't know. Thought about the sharper image because my last name is Sharp. But I don't know. Also, look at my Christmas shirt. Yes, I know it's January, but this is my pajama shirt. I was not a Hey Arnold fan. I was more of a Ren and Stimpy and the All Real Monsters people. Those were my favorites. These sponges, though, are really soft. I do like how it has the logo in it. It's very pretty. You can't even really feel the logo. And I cannot wait to play with this palette. It is going to be fun. I don't even know if I finished my freaking train of thought about the brand identity problem. No, I did not. Okay, so let me know down in the comments what y'all think would be good, or if I'm just having a moment, like a midlife crisis kind of situation. Because I'm close to graduating. I'm in my 3rd trimester. Where I go to school, they break them down in the semesters into 4 months each, so they call them trimesters. And I hear my dog in my bed. Gordito. Goofy boy. Yeah, I'm like struggling, guys. I don't know. I got my desk and filming situation and everything in the living room so that I can like work out there and practice my craft and, you know, get better at stuff, and so I can start taking clients. Because I got the salon chair for my birthday. My friend, one of my best friends, her husband, picked it up for me in Michigan because she's like great at finding good deals on stuff. And it was so comfortable. It was really nice. But yeah, I don't know. I learned a trick for my productivity issues. If I come home and like write down my to-do list stuff that I've actually already got done and then check it off right then, it makes me feel good to like see that I've gotten some stuff done, even if there's stuff on that list that I haven't even got to yet. So, like a mind trick kind of situation. But yeah. Oh, this is Pearleaf Bedalta 8 Indica Straw Nana. It's super good. Highly suggest it. We get them from a place in town, the smoke shop in town, and it's only like $40, $30, $40, something like that, in between there. Whereas if you go to like the smoke shop in Covington or whatever, it's like 50 to almost $60 for one of these, and I'm just like, no. Why do I feel so much paler? Wow. Okay. You know what? It'll be alright. It'll be alright. This is gonna be a bit of a long video because I've had lots of long silences where I just I don't know, guys. I don't know. Like, I really wanna. I don't know. I'm having one of those like blah moments where I'm like, yeah. It's just kind of. I probably look down at my phone this whole time because my camera's right there, and I'm just like, it's easy to look down. And now y'all can see the ring light in my glasses. Lord have mercy. I need to go to bed is what I need because I'm tired. I'm going to take a nap. I'm going to get the kids to lay down with me so I can take a nap. Because if they're laying down with me, they'll fall asleep too. And then I won't have to worry about them because we'll all be asleep. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'll sign off for today. I love you guys. Stay safe out there. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.